Holy buckets, we made it to the last video! It's about framing. It's another one that should be pretty quick and easy to explain. Actually, it might even be the quickest and easiest. So here we go. Framing involves using objects in the foreground or close to the camera to surround/isolate, also known as frame, subjects further back in the composition. This does not mean using a window pane in the background. It doesn't mean using a blank sheet to make it so there's nothing going on in the background. You physically want to block out parts of the scene with something close to the camera. This example picture here is looking down the lens. I didn't have it attached quite right, but it ended up making a really cool effect where you only see the flowers and a little bit of the balcony railing. So framing, you can use a picture frame. If you want a nice, boring little thing around your picture, it's going to be square, it's going to be even, it's going to be easy, but it's going to be kind of boring. Sorry, that was really fast. Use something else, like look through the legs of your little brother or sister's Iron Man toy. Look between the glasses on your kitchen counter. Look between the cars that are still mercilessly packing the supermarket parking lot. But use something close to you, close to the camera, to outline or block out or otherwise isolate the subject that you want to capture. And that's it. That's my last thing. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now it's time for the real fun and getting you through the work.